All right, my country people, today tori I wan tell you now on top of our news, inside news on top of Pidgin News Network. Now the way I hear am, see am, na so I go take tell you now. I no go add salt, I no go add pepper, so help me God. All right, my country people, shey una no forget March 23 wey our federal government come make law say okay all the interstate travel dem ban am both road, both air, both water, both sea. Say flight no go dey fly, nobody must comot, stay your country, stay inside your house. But e be like say as dem make the law some people come dey inside the house dey see if you no get money hide your face. Na be this matter wey I wan tell you now. According to Sahara reporters wey be say wey we hear from dem, they say some people travel but na if you get money na you go fit travel. I go show una 7 people, top people for this Nigeria wey be say dem violate this travel law. Number 1 na be Seyi Tinubu. This Seyi Tinubu na one of Tinubu's son. Seyi Tinubu travel from Lagos to London with the Bombardier private jet. The number na CBT. He travel on June 1st. Na the guy na be this one, Seyi Tinubu, and na the private jet wey they travel be this one. And the registration number of the private jet na be CBT. He landed at the Stansted airport for London. That is number 1. All right, say una no forget for Lonsho Alakija wey be say 2 of this woman son travel go London. The name of the 2 children wey go na be Folani and Rotimi, wey dem comot from Lagos dem travel go London. This one happen for May 22. Na dem be this one. According to Sahara reporters and na the private jet wey carry dem na be this one. If you get money you fit travel for this lockdown. People dey travel. Former chief of staff late Vice Admiral Mike Akigbe wey be say the family dem travel from Lagos dem go London. This one now dey travel on May 8th. Family go private jet. Do you know how much? We still dey house we talk say okay we no go anywhere, we no go work, but people dey dem dey travel from Nigeria to London, from London to Spain. The so rest in peace, the man don die now, but im family dey still dey enjoy, dem dey flex, dem dey travel go abroad come back like say tomorrow no dey. Na be this one. And the private jet wey dem take travel with the flight number 5M-KAS na dem travel with. Olatokunbo Toriola, the vice president West Africa of MTN, he that one too travel. He travel from, you know, be say from Lagos, he come back from Spain to Nigeria. This one with no be even only this guy, he travel with along one lawyer Aishat Rimi and 4 other dignitary people wey be say dem get money, dem dey with am too. Dem come from Spain to Nigeria. E be like say dem even still go back again. The MTN guy na be this one now wey travel with this madam na lawyer she be Remi. FNJ611 na the private jet number wey carry these people. Yasmin Bello Osage, the daughter of Akim Bello. Only this girl I don't know wetin take do it. This one only the girl travel then carry you from Lagos to London. Only you private jet. Only you know na per hour dem dey charge you. Only this girl travel with this private jet wey una dey see so. D-CAWX na carry this girl travel go London May 8th during this lockdown. Alright, e never still finish for there, my country people. E still dey CBN governor Godwin Emefiele, into im wife, im family, all of them travel to London inside luxury jet 550 luxury jet. The registration number wey carry dem na be N104DA. Na carry this family go London for this lockdown. All the names wey I dey mention now, una don see any poor man pikin there? You fit travel. Poor man no fit go. Even to travel from here go Ibadan, no know how much you no fit go. And this air wey dem travel so, dem dey charge dem per hour. If you know the money my brother, you go run. And the 7 people wey be say dem travel during this lockdown wey be say we dey we no get money. That is why we dey talk say don't go anywhere o, don't go anywhere. Even to from Ikeja go Obalende, you go say they go catch you. They don't even catch me for this Lagos, they catch me for Alausa. Now make na come drop na own comment on top of our social media network. Make na drop na comment, mo gather am together, mo see how we go take move forward on top of this matter. Shey na the only rich people na im go dey enjoy when government make law say everybody stay at home? Shey na the only poor people na im the law dey meet, abi na for everybody? Drop your own comment, make we gather everything together so that we go fit move forward on top of this matter. Till I come na way again, I still remain your host MC Passland on top of news inside news on top of Pidgin News Network. I say make na no forget to stay safe. I love everybody. Bye bye yo. Mwah.